Community Service by Norma Flores. I was able to volunteer at the Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses in Covina. Meeting hours for the Glendora Spanish congregation are Monday, 7:30 p.m. and Saturday at 10:30 a.m. The purpose, as stated in the jw.org website, Jehovah's Witnesses are an international organization unaffiliated with other religious groups whose world headquarters is in the United States. However, the vast majority of Jehovah's Witnesses live in other countries. Jehovah's Witnesses teach people the Bible in over 230 lands. We do so in response to Jesus' words, "This good news of the kingdom will be preached in all the inhabited earth for a witness to all the nations," according to Matthew 24:14. As Jehovah's servants, we are eager to help needy individuals in a material way. However, people may also have a spiritual need. To help them become aware of that need and take steps to satisfy it, Jesus commissioned his followers to make disciples. We individually devote much of our time, energy, and resources to carrying out that commission. As an organization, we use some donated funds to provide material help, but donations are used chiefly to promote kingdom interests and spread the good news. We thus show our love for God and for our neighbors. This is a description of the cleaning work that I was able to do. To help with the cleaning of the Kingdom Hall, I was able to clean the bathroom, scrub the walls, the mirrors, the toilet, mopping the floor, taking the trash out, vacuuming, cleaning the windows, wiping the seats and the walls. And this is very important to be able to have a presentable place to meet, and that way everyone that comes, every visitor and member feels welcome. This is letter writing that took place at our home, and it's very important work because when we go door-to-door witnessing, we may not always find people or are not able to knock at the doors due to security gates. Therefore, we take the time to write letters and get the message to them. I love hosting these sessions because we all have a great time together, and I also enjoy going to other friends' houses for letter writing as well. But why? Why do we write letters? Well, writing letters is basically about God's kingdom. But what is God's kingdom? Jehovah set up a heavenly government and chose Jesus to be its king. The Bible calls this government God's kingdom. And this is a kingdom that Jesus taught his followers to pray for in Matthew 6:9-13. Jesus is able to do more good than any human ruler ever could, and he is more powerful than all human rulers put together. The Bible says that Jesus is greater than any human king because he is the one alone having immortality. All human rulers eventually die, but Jesus will never die. All the good that Jesus will do for us will last forever. Mobile cart at Citrus College Swap Meet. My favorite part of this work is talking to people from different backgrounds and enjoying the smells, the music, and the community. We have 3 shifts for this particular service, and the first shift sets up the tarp, the carts, and the chairs, and also the last shift brings down the tarp, folds the chairs, and returns the carts to the Kingdom Hall. Passers-by are welcome to pick up any literature that they would like without having to engage in any conversation with us, or they can also ask questions and we can answer them. There is no cost for the literature, and it is offered in a few languages. Due to the COVID-19 stay-at-home order, our usual monthly volunteer work was halted on March 13th, 2020, for our safety and for the safety of the community. However, we did find other ways of contacting people to share our message. We would Zoom with our friends and fellow volunteers while making phone calls. We began calling the community to check on the friends, neighbors, and elderly to offer words of comfort. And at first this was a challenging activity because people were confused and they thought we were telemarketers and would hang up on us. However, we have had many wonderful conversations with people, and On one occasion, we spoke to one elderly woman who thanked us for calling her, and she lived alone and her family would only visit her once a week. She asked us to continue calling her weekly because she enjoyed conversing with us. You are more than welcome to visit our website at jw.org. And lastly, these are the hours I was able to volunteer from February to today. Thank you for watching.